Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'm an investment advisor, and yesterday I had my birthday. And actually I didn't want to make this video, but I think that it will be interesting for you if I share my emotions, my experience a bit, and something like that. To tell the truth, I didn't think that I'm such kind of person who I am now. So the working experience changed me very hard, and I don't communicate with people in a common way. I am not like I'm not so kind person. I'm not so sweet one, and something like that. So I'm mercantile woman. I know what I want. I have ambitions, goals. I know sometimes now about people around. So when I was 18 years old, I was a child. I was too naive. I didn't have such thoughts and ideas. I really believed in not like magic, but that everything is possible. Now the reality gives me feedback, and my business projects sometimes are not the best as I want, and they it is very hard to build your business, your ecosystem, to have partners. If we talk about business, to communicate with people, to trust them, to control them. So that time I didn't have so many like obligatories, but I didn't need to control everything so much, because now I understand that if everything will be wrong, I will lose a lot of things. So one mistake can be extremely bad one. So it can put me into the bottom. So it is very dangerous in reality work. As an investment advisor with Russian oligarchs. I'm joking, but I'm not no, I joke in some moment, but not for everything. So it is really dangerous work, and I have too many pressure. The deals are extremely rich, and I can have some problems with laws if I do something not correctly. When I was 18, I only started working in investments, and I had more energy. Now I have energy, but it is more like focused on something. It is more realistic. That time I only wanted something, so I really believed that I will be able to build my own investment company. Now I understand that as I formulated that time, it was not as it works in reality. So now I understand that I can make business in this sphere, but it will not like look like all usual businesses, like investment company, because I don't really want to sell only stock market. So that time I didn't know a lot about investments. That time I only had like a dream to build a business, and I didn't know the reality, the problems with clients, the real consequences of crisis, economical crisis, and etc. So that time I didn't know anything about this sphere, but I thought, I want to build my company, to be like not entrepreneur, to be like a businesswoman, businessman in reality. And I think investments is it sounds great. That time I didn't know that this sphere will impress me so much, and that I will want to pay all my attention to it, and that I will devote the whole life to it. And during this year, I started working more. So my studies at university finished. I graduated from university. So I combine work with my education, and now some people can ask me how you did it at the same time, and I told them it was easy because I was so passionate about it. I didn't think about anything about anything except investments. So it was really interesting for me, and it was more about studying too, because I didn't know a lot about this profession. And so in this year I graduated from university. I started working on some projects that I hope will give me a lot of money, because I really believe in it. And if we talk about a YouTube channel, I really think that it will lead me to success in this sphere too. But also I work with rich clients now. I don't have a lot of them, but I communicate only the richest one, and so I don't earn now a lot of money, but I have a great experience, and it is more about my passion again. And during this year I had a lot of changes. I didn't know what I want, because some years ago the only one goal was for me to work for extremely successful big corporation. For this goal, I understood that I have to graduate from amazing, excellent, top university abroad like Oxford, Harvard. But I had one incident that changed my attention to everything, approach to life a bit, and these goals became not mine. So I came to the conclusion that I will not leave my country because of sanctions, problems with money, and all difficulties with which I will face if I start living abroad. And so I decided to stay here in Russia and to develop my career. And it was very funny that when I decided not to go and pass IELTS, I thought that, oh, I will not have assets abroad at all. And people started giving me assets in Switzerland abroad, and it was like, oh my god, you don't really need to live abroad and to have foreign education to work with assets. Of course, it was people from Russia, but it was funny. And after I graduated from university, I really started thinking about my initial wishes. I understood that I don't want to go to like office to normal common work. It is not my approach to life. I don't want it. And of course, I visited some job interviews, but I didn't want to work in companies. I really thought that I will achieve more if I continue doing it. And it is like a shock, but when I close my plans B and C related to abroad education and work with mass media, it is not project that I want in Russia, actually. So when I had only one plan A, I started meeting amazing, extremely rich people who now gives me their assets and who communicate with me in a regular basis. And so you should really believe in yourself, and even something that is too magic, too unrealistic can happen if you pay too much attention to it. I spent years to achieve anything, and now I have something that is really, really important for me. Next year will be amazing. It will be not the same as this year, so everything will be better, easier, because when you pay too much effort to some sphere, it brings you results.